Welcome to Softaken CSV to VCF Converter. Effortlessly export your contact list from CSV to VCF, vCard, format with precision, ease, and flexibility. Key features of Softaken CSV to VCF Converter. Export unlimited CSV contacts as vCard files. Lightweight, intuitive, and user-friendly interface. Supports CSV files generated from Excel, Outlook, Google Contacts, and more. Real-time contact preview with customizable field mapping. How to use Softaken CSV to vCard Converter. Step 1. Launch the application. Start the tool from the desktop shortcut or through the Start menu. Step 2. Add your CSV file. Click on Add to upload your CSV file containing contact information. Step 3. Preview and map fields. Preview your contact data and use the mapping configuration to match CSV columns to corresponding vCard fields. Click Add after mapping each field. Step 4. Confirm mapping optional. Use the Preview button to double-check your map data before exporting. Step 5. Export contacts to vCard.vcf. Click Export to initiate the conversion and generate VCF files from your CSV data. vCard format support. vCard 2.1. Legacy support for older email clients and mobile devices. vCard 3.0. Ideal for modern smartphones and Unicode-supported platforms. vCard 4.0. Optimized for advanced cloud services and contact management systems. Step 6. Output configuration. Select Destination folder. Choose the desired location to save your exported .vcf files using the Browse button. Step 7. Customize export settings optional. Enhance your export using features like use the first row as column headers. Merge all contacts into a single VCF file. Automatically skip duplicate entries. Step 8. Begin exporting. Click Start Export and let the tool do the rest. Accurate, efficient, and fast. For more info, visit our website. Thanks for watching.